Greetings everyone. In this video, we will quickly find out the tempo of any song without using any external software. This will work on both Mac and Windows computer. So let's get started.
For more contents like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Now for this tutorial video, I have this audio by Simpletone. So we will figure out the tempo of this song. To do that, open your browser and go to the website getsongbpm.com. So this is the website which will give you the tempo of the song. Go to Tools and click on MP3 to BPM. Now all you have to do is drag a song here, or you can click on it and upload the song. This might take some time, so please be a little patient. Now here you can see the BPM of the song, which is 161. I will delete this as well. Also, if you want a metronome and play with this song or practice your music, simply Google metronome. And here's the metronome, and you can adjust the BPM as you want, and it works great. You can also play the song in the background and adjust the BPM here. Anyway, hope you learned something interesting. Thank you very much.